And where are you going to? And why are you staring at me that way?
Nay, I am just wondering where you're going to this early hours of the morning. And all dressed up like this.
Yeah.
Chika, don't tell me all along I was with you yesterday. You were planning to travel this early the next day and you could not even tell me. Tomorrow now you call yourself my friend.
Which year travel be that? I am going to your house.
Is it not my house?
Yes, your house.
You're going to my house dressed like this?
Am I not looking beautiful? Just look at me now.
Chika, what for?
Check me out. They got on one.
What are you going to my house for? Dressed up like this?
Babe, I don't want to take any chances, so. I don't want to hear that your brother has gone out of the house before we get to the house. I don't want to hear that story. What's funny?
Hey, Chika, there is nothing I will not see from you. Eh? Chika, hey. Now let's assume that this my brother is actually single and looking for a wife. What kind of impression do you think he will have about you when you leave your house very early in the morning, take your bath, only to come to my house? Yeah?
Babe, I don't care. All I want is for your brother to see me the way I am. Yes! No point pretending to be who I'm not.
Nay, as a good friend that I am, let me tell you, no man will value you when you leave your house early hours of the morning, only to come to his own house. The man will look at you as someone that is jobless. He will even think you don't have home training. Oh, it's so cool that you just woke up, could not even do the minimal chores you're supposed to do as a wife material. You just took your bath and decided to come to his own house. He will not take you seriously. Cha-cha. And he's my brother, remember. I am telling you the way he would think. And since you're indeed jobless, please come with me. My mother sent me on an errand.
What's the meaning of this insult? Eh, Ada? What if your brother has gone out of the house before we return? Eh?
Hey, Chika. Are you that desperate to meet my brother? No problem. I am going to arrange a meeting for you to meet each other, okay? He's going to see you as special when I arrange the meeting. So come with me.
Say it again.
I said you people will meet.
Really?
I'll change my mind now.
Change, ke? Ada. Eh, my baby.
Now I am a good person.
Thank you. Let's go. Anywhere you want me to follow you. If it's America, I will trek with that. Let's just go.
Chika, where did you get this hair and this dress?
Mama, I borrow am. Hey.
Chika, you borrow hair.
Just to impress your brother. On your shaking, Igwe. Is he shaking? Hey! How am I looking? Is he shaking? Let's go. How can they just try that rubbish? Eh? Am I not the one that is supposed to be angry here? So what do they mean by returning the money now?
Ifeoma, my daughter, butu okwa no began. Eh? You have to calm down, slow your anger. They may have realized that they are wrong and decided to do the right thing.
Mama, they did not realize anything. If truly they are sorry, they should find a way and reach out to me directly and not keeping malice with Gladys just because she refused to join them to fight me.
Fight who? Ifeoma, what is it? What is going on?
Is it not those greedy fools that call themselves my friend?
Mama, what is she talking about?
Don't mind your sister. It's just a little small, it's not a serious problem, which I know I will resolve it very soon. I will settle it soon.
Sister, it's a lie. It's not a little misunderstanding. It's a battle line that has been drawn and I'll so dig it out with them.
Mama, what is going on? Can somebody explain what is happening? Who is she digging anything out with? Again, name.
It's about the money that your fiancé gave to them. But I have said I will settle it, Ifeoma. Calm down. What is your problem? I have said that I will settle this matter.
Mama, you cannot settle this matter.
You cannot
settle it.
Ifeoma, bring down your voice, Biko.
Bring down your voice.
Bring down your voice. Bring down your voice.
Thank God you know me very well.
Ifeoma. Hi.
I don't even fight for me. I don't need your fight.
I said I don't want that noise. Don't follow me.
I can fight for myself.
Hey! What are you give one?
You are awake.
I'm working in a very bad mood.
Bad mood, quoi?
Yes.
Why?
You see that thing we told me yesterday? I don't sleep, wake up, dream am, digest am. Hi. I don't say una fuck up full time, una lose guard. I swear.
Fuck up. How? How do you mean?
Good. You know say that informer na better girl. Wetin make una go fight her?
We didn't fight her first.
Mm-hmm.
It was that stupid nonso that claims to know everything, and our useless friend Grace that we fought for interfering in what doesn't concern them before informer joined the fight.
Give me good reason why she no go join the fight. If now you wetin you go do, then they fight your best friend. Wetin make you no go join the fight? You see, I always tell you this thing time with that number. You see that informer? She may be the smallest among you guys, but now she gets sense past all of you. Now she gets sense past. Yes.
Don't even start this your comparison thing this morning, because this is also part of the issue we are having with her right now. Don't start, be calling.
If anything where you like talk, that one is your own business. Come take this money. Yeah. Now the money I borrow from you be this, so I'm returning back to you. The 10,000 be this. Take.
Why are you doing like this now? Did I tell you to give me the money back?
Take first. Take for you know the women are too like money. Take from there, give her her own share.
I didn't tell you to give me the money back. And besides, we already gave her our own share last night.
Oh, well, I don't give her her own share?
Yes, now we gave it to her last night.
You know, tell me, son, I don't give her her own share now. No problem, you can keep the money for yourself, I understand. By the way, Morga, the bongo. Hi! He loaded me with serious money yesterday. So money what I get I did too much. So I just feel like she had money. You understand? So just keep the change for yourself here. So just keep the.
Are you sure?
I am sure. You want me to go bring more on at? If you want to go, I still get more. I go load it there.
Okay.
Do you?
Thank you.
Do make you come inside. Maybe. Why you say better go in now? You understand? Money today now. Make I go freshen up.
Thank you.
Wait. Those girls are actually funny. What are they trying to prove? Okay, is it that they don't need the money or they are sorry? Which one? See, girls, I'm not here for us to discuss those girls. Okay. But I narrated what happened to you so that you know what's going on. The game is changing now.
How do you mean? Is there anything on the pipeline? Play us the tape, we are all ears.
Nature, go to church first. Let's hear her out. Or your talk. Well, there is nothing so serious.
Okay.
But the thing is that what happened the other day has shown me who my real friends are. And now I'm ready to tag along with those ones who are ready to stick their neck without holding it back.
Bam! And that is how it is. That is how it is. You know we have always stood for truth and fairness, irrespective of who is involved.
That is exactly what I've done without getting anything back or even receive an appreciation. So, as it is now, let them be on their own.
See, if you ask me, maybe you should give them another opportunity. You never can tell.
Nobody is saying she should stay in enmity with them. It's just that those girls are so greedy and selfish. Beyond that, you should know them before now.
Okay. The two of you can suggest anything. As for me, I'm living my life.
Mom.
So enough of all these talks. And let's go to the main gists. Brother Eddie gave me 100,000 naira and I brought half of it for you.
Iffy, baby!
You guys have already shown me that you're my
baby!
Iffy!
Give me my shit.
Give my shit now.
Bring now.
What is your problem?
Wait.
Wait!
If you call up Eddie Bongo, you go listen. If you call up Eddie Bongo, you go listen. You go receive. Get out the road of Eddie Bongo.
Igwe.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Please sit.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
Yes.
Your Majesty, I know very well that it is possible you no longer recognize him. This young man. He is called Edwin. Eddie Bongo, the son of our late colleague, Nze Obiora Obiekwe. He just came back from America yesterday, and he confided in me that he wants to pay you homage. Yes.
That is nice.
And that is why we are here.
It's all right. But please correct me if I am wrong. I would have thought that Eddie is his real name, then Eddie Bongo is the nickname, so to say.
Your Majesty, don't go there. That Edwin was of old. Right now, his real name is Eddie Bongo.
Eddie Money.
Eddie Money. Eddie Long Money. Eddie 8080. Your Majesty, please call him Eddie Bongo.
You said he is the son of Nze Obiekwe of blessed memory.
That is him. That little boy of that time.
My son, you're welcome.
I greet you, Your Majesty.
Your father was a great and most respected man in this community. As a matter of fact, a great chief in this community. You know, and he was a very godly person, very nice person, and I hope you've imbibed some of his virtues.
I am trying, Your Majesty. That is why I have come home. You know, people say that when you are blessed and you have found wealth, you bring it home. Akuluel no Igwe. I have come back, Your Majesty, to see how I can help the people of our community. Thank you, Your Majesty.
That is it, my king. He has a proposal. He has something in mind that he wants to do for this community, where every citizen here will benefit from it. Wow. Yes. And my king, this is what he brought along to pay you homage in a proper, customary and traditional way. This is it. Thank you very much. Not only that, I can Your Majesty, he also accompanied the drink with this.
All this for me?
Yes. Yes, Your Majesty.
It's all right. Thank you. Keep it in that thing and drop it as well. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
It's someone with a very good heart. You know, you've just confirmed that you are like your father. Sure. You know, that we do this kind of thing. So you're welcome. I was made to understand that you wanted this discussion to be a private one. That was why I didn't invite my cabinet members to come and partake in this discussion.
Yes, Your Majesty, you are right. We thought it the other way, that it would be better you listen to him first, then take time to digest it before you involve your cabinet members to hear them from you, not even from him.
It's all right. Thank you. So, my son, what do you have in stock for us?
Igwe, truth is I am not known for plenty talk. Sure. But I can tell you one thing for free, Igwe. My little sojourn abroad and little exposure that I have gotten has taught me a lesson. And that lesson is that education, to go to school is very important. And I have decided that the youths of our community, they need proper education. If you look at them, you see that some of them are roaming around, aimlessly, without education. But if we empower these youths, they say they're the leaders of tomorrow. But how can they be leaders if we don't empower them? So I have decided that any youth from this community that wants to go to school, I am going to sponsor to the highest level. You understand?
Eddie Bongo.
Eddie money.
Eddie Bongo.
Igwe and because of the Kibia is that I want to fence the entire village. Yes, I want to fence this entire village. I want to break records by making sure that I mount heavy gates at every entry point of this village and even the boundaries that separate us from other communities. That is why I have come home.
Eddie Bongo.
Eddie money.
Eddie money. Eddie Torogorogo. Eddie long money.
Nze, I don't understand what is going on. Is it that the Igwe does not appreciate my person or what I want to do for the people? Because I don't understand that his reaction at the Otago. Away from me.
Ed Bongo, my son, I want you to understand that your proposal to fence the entire village sounds very unrealistic and fantasious. Not everybody will take you seriously. Secondly, you are not a titled man. Such requests are not granted, even if it is an achievable project. Yes.
But I came here now. I came to tell you now. You are the first human being that I told about my plans.
Yes.
About breaking record and fencing the village. Why did you not tell me that? Be a walking, calm or down. I get you go to go also first. You go the titled man. Now you now made me to go and fool myself in front of you.
Because I thought they would respect me and respect their father. Do you know who your father is? Your father was one of the highest Nzes we have. They're supposed to have listened to me.
Okay, Mze, I want to be a titled man now. But I have to become. What will it take for me to become a titled man? Tell me.
Well, it doesn't require much, but I wish to ask you again.
Yes.
Where do you hope to get this bulk money that we use to fence the entire village? Because I'm saying this because it will be a very shameful thing for an adult to dance with children.
Hi. Zebikono. On a man Igwe. Don't I smell money? Oh no, is that what I have made money. The okay line you be gum up not the very long. If you keep my money now and line it up from here now, it will cross Niger Bridge on it. I am telling you, just make me an Zena. I have suffered in this community. Do you think that I'm going to come back here and make buffoonery of myself? What's not possible now? Even the way Igwe is looking at me already. Okay, what? Tell me what it will take for me to become. I am here to break record, and I must break record.
It doesn't require much, actually. But I provided the materials required. It won't take us much. Because your father bequeathed an insect title to you.
Oh.
Yes. Already, as a high chief, he had done so many required things already for you. You know very well your father is a high chief. And he's a multiple title holder.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Ah. So what does that mean now?
It means
yes,
that your title conferment will just be as easy as nothing.
Bam.
Yes.
So okay, so my name will be...
Because now you are of age. You have just to continue with where your father stopped because he had done everything, virtually everything for you.
So my name will now become Nze. Edi long money. Okay, or Edi long money Nze.
If a gazabo Nze, Edi bongo.
Obiekwe. Mba, you get in your money.
Okay.
You get in your money Nze.
Nze. Edi money.
Edi money.
Long money. Obiekwe.
Obiekwe. Onye mpekasi.
Onye mpekasi. You want to go? Well.
Daddy? Dad? What's going on? You've just been pacing and staring into space and I've been here watching you. You don't even have your guards around you. What's bothering you, Dad? I know there's something wrong.
My daughter, you're welcome. So, how was the interview? Did they approve your pet project?
Daddy, no. Daddy, I will not let you. I won't let you divert this talk. Okay? I saw you, and I know you too well to know that something is wrong with you. Something is happening, something is bothering you. Please share it with me, Daddy, please.
This is my daughter. You understand me too well.
Of course. If I don't, who will?
Yes, something was actually bothering me. Well, but it wasn't serious.
Okay.
Yes, a young man came here, with an out-of-the-world proposal that looks so ridiculous. And to think that he was brought by one of my most respected cabinet chiefs.
Okay, so what was this proposal about?
Well, the first part of it was good. He said he was going to train our youths, those that are ready to go to school. Okay. That one is good. He also said he would build as many schools as possible in our community, which was also good. But he spoiled the whole thing by saying that he wants to build fence around the whole community. I mean, who does that? What is he protecting?
Daddy, am I missing something here? Because I don't see anything wrong with what he said.
Seriously? What do you mean by that?
Dad, the fact that you consider his proposal bogus doesn't mean it's out of this world. I mean, if you go out there, Dad, people are doing everything they can to protect their territories from invaders. Everywhere in the world.
Come on, my princess. What is wrong with our youths of these days? Particularly those of you that studied abroad. Okay, by the way, where do you think he's going to get the kind of money to fund that kind of bogus project?
Daddy, you are not his bank. Are you his bank manager? Are you his account officer? You don't know if he has this money or not, regardless of how bogus you think it is. Why don't you just give him a chance? Every other king would let him do whatever he wants to do. He either fails or he succeeds. anyone, that's fine. But you have to give him a try. You can't just throw his proposal out of the door like that just because you think it's bogus. Daddy, you worry too much. Please, can you just come and take a seat? That someone is trying to bless this community and you're worrying.
Look, this is my daughter. You always find a way to sweep me off my feet.
Daddy,
that is what is wrong with you?
That is what I want.
What is wrong with you?
Daddy, please come and see. I've been watching you here, so someone wants to bless this community and Daddy is worried about it. Oh, my father. I'm coming back, okay? I'll get you a glass of juice. Okay, Daddy?
Yagochi, why is it that anything that transpires between us as friends, you will just run ahead to your boyfriend and relate it with him? Why? Now that you get boyfriend, I be the boy they used to do, they ask you question.
That's not the point, Onye. She can relate with him anyhow she wants. That's none of my business. But what right does he have to tell us on how to live our lives?
Look, no one is telling you how to live your life here. But sometimes we listen to the voice of wisdom. Ifeoma has been our friend and she has been very good to us. We can't just forget all the good deeds she has done for us in a hurry. Besides, friends fight and they make up too, right? Right?
Yeah. So, what do you suggest we should do?
Okay, this is it. Let us make up and be friends again. And besides, we are all good together. We are better off as friends.
Please stop it. Make up. You and who? Make up. Make up with who? You girls are absolutely on your own. Just count me out. I am not cut out for making up with anybody. You girls should just count me out.
Onyinye, it has not
gotten
to that now.
Onyinye, make up with who?
Onyinye, why is she reacting this way?
Don't mind her.
Onyinye!
She'll come around. That's how she behaves. Don't mind her. But am I not making a point here?
You're making a point, but don't worry. I will talk to her. I'll talk to her for you. Just...
If you call up Eddie Bongo, you better say, Eddie Bongo. If you call up Eddie Bongo, you better say, Eddie Bongo. Get out the road of Eddie Bongo, you better say, the record breaker. Fumana Bonafide, the record breaker, you better say, Eddie Bongo. Fumana Melo, baby, you better say, Eddie Bongo. Just come on, everybody. You gotta say, money is not his problem. You gotta say,
rejoice! I say good time.
Help, brother!
I hear.
Help, brother! Help, brother!
Come, mama! 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 Good times are here.
Yes,
good times are here.
Mama! Mama!
Adon, what is this noise I'm hearing?
My brother is back.
What is your brother celebrating?
Mama, I don't know. He just said I should come and call you to celebrate with him.
Call me?
Yes, so.
Well, you can say I'm busy cooking in the kitchen.
I know, Mama, but you know brother now. He will not stop unless you come.
Oh, in that case, let me... Don't worry, don't worry.
I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it. Mama, mama, baby. Kita go ball, mommy. Good time.
If you call up, you go receive. Get out the road of Eddie Bongo, you go receive. The record breaker. Fumana Bonafide, the record breaker, you go receive. Fumana Melo, baby, you go receive. Just call up Eddie Bongo, you go receive. Money is not his problems. You gotta see evidence.
Ah! You're looking so happy. You know, from the look on your face, it looks like you're basking in the euphoria and exuberance of a female liberated Homo sapien. You know, tell me in confidence and in convenience, what exactly tickles your fancy?
Chotongo, just go sit on one side. Eh? See, you just get luck say I dey in a good mood. You see this your rubbish grammar where they speak this hot afternoon. I know just dey in the mood.
No, well, you know, that is what I have been extrapolating all this while. Because since I know you, you haven't been this happy for years. Oh yes, you haven't. So, what is it?
So, where you from bring this your bike from?
Ah! I told you, didn't I? I told you my container was navigating backwards from the high sea. I told you. You see this bike? Edibongo, my main man, is back and he has revived me. In fact, he has revived my bike. He is the one that gave me the money that I went to the mechanic to fix my bike. As a matter of fact, I was just coming from there. Hey. Oh yes.
See, this life no balance, so.
Oh yes.
Once God don't remember you, no going back.
You can say that again.
See Eddie of yesterday where everybody they laugh. Now you cannot say a word without mentioning Eddie's name.
Oh, that's the point. That is the point.
Now the money when you give me yesterday, now I use go buy all these things where you they see so. I they tell you.
Are you serious?
I swear.
Goodness.
Hey.
Gracious. Oh my goodness. My manest Eddie Bongo. You know, mankind will not listen to the voice of prophecy. I tried all my best to enlighten this communal enclave that it is very possible for a man to be catapulted from the dungeon straight to the palace. But, you see, they took it as a normal vesperative infinitesimal.
Hey.
You know.
But Joe.
Yes.
I beg, I'm going back to my shop. Let me go and attend to my customers. This is your drama too much.
That's okay.
The hot is too much. The weather is too hot.
Yes.
Take a easy with your drama, Abby.
I understand. Take care of yourself. I'll see you later. Okay? I'll see you later. Premium quality. Premium performance. Off we go.
You see, your brother already feels something for me, and I'm so excited right now.
Hey, Chica.
I'm happy.
And you're even blushing.
Hey. Why won't I blush? I beg you.
Let me tell you. You're only hallucinating if that is what you think. Yes, because my brother is naturally a very generous fellow. Do not mistake what happened back there to mean he feels something for you. He doesn't. Sorry.
Ada, why are you such a joy killer? Why? Why can't you just be happy for once in your life for me? Why? Now that God is just giving me what I want, what I deserve.
Chica.
Why are you such a joy killer?
Oh, I'm a joy killer because I've decided to tell you the truth as a good friend. Let me tell you, if you carry on like this, the only thing that awaits you is heartbreak. Do not say Adora did not warn you. Do not say I did not warn you. He's my brother. You don't know him better than I do. Okay.
Anyway, let me leave before you completely kill the joy that your brother has enkindled in my life. When you get home, send my regards to him. Thank him for me. And don't fail to tell him that I'm deeply in love with him. Don't fail to do that. Bye, don't fail to do that.
I actually feel sorry for you. Hey. Nay, go well. Hi.
Mommy, again, Kelefe na bakasela again.
My son, I know you took after your father in his generosity, and as a result, he was killed.
Hey!
Please, my son, I don't like the way you are spending money. Please, just cut it down.
Mommy, why do you want me to cut down? The more you spend money, the more money locates you. Mommy, relax. I have not even touched up to 1% of the money I brought to the village. In it, Mommy, calm down.
No, please, I'm afraid.
Why are you afraid?
Please, do not attract attention to yourself, else they will kill you.
Mommy.
And if they kill you, I'm going to go back and one.
Mommy, you have to remove the spirit of fear from you, Mommy. Mommy, I have made money. And the money I have made is for the good of you, me, and the people of our village. Calm down. They cannot kill me. I'm here to set records and break records. You wanna go? And no man can stand in my way. Relax. Calm down.
I'm afraid. I don't want anything to happen to
Mommy,
you.
nothing will happen to me. Nothing will happen to me. Mommy. Hey, I don't like your face, so. I decided to do a short stopover. You gotta go. I did not come home to come and begin to wipe your tears. Stop crying. I know that people are jealous. Manaka, Anare Uchioma. I am here. Mommy, stop worrying yourself. No, Mama. Relax. What are you feeling?
Listen, the thing is, you are not even listening to me. You are not. And whether you like it or not, relationship is the last thing that will deter me from my pet project. Yes, that's my main focus right now, my project. Smith! Why do you always enjoy working me up? Why? Why? Listen, you know what? I don't think I can continue with this. I am no longer comfortable with this relationship. I am done. I quit. Yes, Smith, I quit. Listen, please. I have family issues to think of. Don't just come and add to it. Please. Of course. Yes, in my culture, family is everything. Family is very important. Fine. Goodbye. What nonsense.
Babe, I don't like the way you are taking this whole thing. You're taking it too far. Don't believe you pain pass now.
Wait, no be only me pain pass.
Yes.
I don't understand you. Which kind of talk be this one now? Why are you making it sound as if I'm the one that started this whole malice thing? Wait, why are you making it sound like it was my idea in the first place?
Okay, I understand. But at this point, I have to reason with Ugochi.
Reason with Ugochi?
Yes.
This is what got me angry in the first place. Okay, just tell me, why would she tell her boyfriend things that happened between us? Why would she do that?
See, babe, just chill. Me, I don't know what her boyfriend, I don't even know what her boyfriend knows about us that concerns us. But the truth is that you're taking it too far. You need to just sleep over this. You need to just calm down and reason. We should reason before we decide anything.
See, blessing, all this thing where they talk no be even my business. Anything when I like, make una do. Anything when sweet una make una do. Supposing I fit day on my own, I go just day my lane. Je. I don't want wahala. All this palaba here and there. I don't want them.
See, babe, just chill. Chill now. Let us just calm down. We should think. We should think and know what to do. Please, calm down now. My friend, please now, calm down now. Don't overreact. Let's go. Please now.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
Igwe. Dad, it looks like you've come out of your bad mood.
And it appears we swapped our feelings. You're not looking bright at all. What's the matter?
Dad, it's Smith. He has become so unbearable. He doesn't even want to see reasons with me. Not at all.
My lovely princess, I'm at a loss as to when you will get out of this illusion of thinking that you're going to marry someone outside this community. Right? Look, you are my only child. And the man you're going to marry will automatically become the king. So, we need someone from this community who understands the custom and tradition of our people.
Well, it doesn't even matter anymore. We've broken up. Yeah. Anyways, Dad, you said you wanted to talk to me about something.
Well, it's fine that you are out of that fantasy of trying to get married to that young man. Yes. I wasn't too happy because you didn't support me about the issue. Okay? You are my daughter. I've been with you for years, and I know that you can't behave like that to me. That's the first time. So that is why I want to know. What came over you?
Dad, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to. Dad, you know this man, I haven't even met him in person. Everything I'm judging from is what you told me about him. And from everything I've heard, if you ask me, the man has very good intentions for this community. So why don't you just grab all that he has to offer?
I agree with you that he may have good intentions because his father was a very generous man to this community, and it appears that virtue runs in their lineage, you know. But I think there is more to it.
Which is?
The throne. I was reliably informed that he's after my throne. Are you surprised? Now, let me tell you, anyone who does things to endear himself towards our people, the people of our community, has the capability of moving the kingship to his own family. And that I don't want.
Daddy, Dad, come off it. I can't believe you're saying this. Dad, are you going to allow your personal interests override the communal interests? Besides that, what makes you feel that I'm going to marry someone from this village just because I want us to retain the kingship in this family? I don't think so.
call him Eddie Bongo, you go receive Babanko. If you call him Eddie Bongo, you go receive. You go receive. Get on the road with Eddie Bongo.
My goodness.
You go receive.
This is good. Bongo! Bongos, you have done noble. Yes. Mama. Bongos, where are you? You have done noble. The Bongos, my man.
Joto, my man.
Hiya, man of the people.
Joto, my man. Joto. Joto.
Yes. Yes.
Joto.
Yes.
What is this?
This is my bag that has been packed for months. But the good thing is I took little of that, the money that you gave me to bring it to premium performance. Gracias to you.
Joto. Joto, you are staining. Joto, you are staining my white. I don't like it. Joto, you are staining my white. I don't like it. He didn't make me. Eh? I mean, he told me, Eddie, your guy.
Man of the people.
No, I can't order. Why? What are you doing with something like this? I didn't know this thing. You look like a bloody Babylonian on top of this nonsense. Eh? If you need something to move from point A to point B, you tell me. I take it to a car shop. You pick one of these toys. That is how it works. Eh? What is wrong with you? Eh?
Are you serious about this?
Okay, you need to move from point A to point B. I'll call the boy. Steven Seagal, let them throw this thing away. I take you to a car shop. You pick. If you want something like this, I give you. You want something like that, I get one for you. You want a Hummer Jeep, I give you. What is your problem? I don't like this.
I want. Biko. Instead of throwing this away, let me beg so I can give it to Pius.
Pius, you need it.
Bongos! Bongos!
What is this thing?
Anything for you. But this will go to Pius. Bongos!
Jotongo, stop staining my eyes. I don't like it. Okay, I was on my way out before I heard your voice. I want to go and see. Ask Samuel, I want to go and see my chief.
Hey! Obia!
Can make us see. I can go see evidence.
Obia!
Obia! Are you coming with me or not?
What am I doing here?
But Joto, you are not wearing shoes now. You slippers.
Bongos, why are you saying this now? I can work with this.
You follow me with slippers.
Anything for you. Off we move. The Bongos, man of the people.
You can't go, my man. I'm going to buy you shoes.
No.
Follow me with slippers.
Anything for you. Anything
you
for
have to stop staining my white.
Man of the people.
If you call him Eddie Bongo, you go receive Babanko. If you call him Eddie Bongo, you go receive. Get out the road with Eddie Bongo, you go receive. The record breaker. Ofumwana Bonafa, the record breaker, you go receive. Evidence. Ofumwana Melo Bodaifa, you go receive. Evidence. Just call him Eddie Bongo. You got to see evidence. Money is not his problems. You got to see evidence.
Hey! Awesome, how do I look? Nwamam, Acharugum, Queenum, Apugum, Asanamma. Mamam. Inadum, how do you look? You are like a princess that wants to impress her prince.
Thank you.
You are so beautiful.
Mama.
And elegant. You look wonderful.
Oh, Mama.
Nemo, Akurakam.
Ma.
Udaram micham.
Mama, you want to kill me with praises.
But that is exactly how you look.
Thank you, Mama. But Mama, I am very lucky. In fact, I am blessed. I am blessed to have someone like Eddie in my life. You can see that all these years of me waiting was not in vain.
Right.
Mama.
Adam. Thank God. Yes, good.
Hey, Mama is here.
Talk of the devil.
Mama, let me go.
Go.
Okay.
Go, Nem.
Mama, don't worry. I'll see you later.
Naga, Akum Genazu, Ugomo. Madam. Oh, that I'm me, cham. One ma'am. I am solidly behind you. Oh, now I get some gi. Oh, eso some gi ke. Adobodo ibom. Hey.
If you call him Eddie Bongo, you go listen. Eddie Bongo. If you call him Eddie Bongo, you go listen. You go listen. Get out the road to Eddie Bongo. You go listen.
Hey.
The record breaker. The record breaker. You go listen.
No. Come.
I thought your friend was pulling your legs when he called you. You know that your friend can be mischievous sometimes. Hey! So you're not a bike owner? Hey! This Eddie Bongo's return is really a blessing, no?
I'm telling you, it's a serious blessing, no. I know my limousine no one park well again. I be the son no fit down. Calm down, eh? Today, bring more. Today. Relax. Let me give you the real gist. Eh? Let the do this thing. You see, Eddie Bongo say I should pipe low. Say my own ride go come once my guy own settle.
Hey, better wake up from your dream. You better go and look for how to register this bike and be using it for card and be making money like your mate. And stop hanging your leg where it does not reach.
See, I dey hang my leg there because I don't reach there. In fact, I am not dreaming. See my eye, it do open. My EY, it do open.
Are you serious?
In fact, listen, let me play you. Eddie Bongo swear for my guy, say he will establish very heavy business where me and my guy go to use to arrange ourselves and also take care of this village.
Is it still looking new?
Lady, I know one but see, I've no one a baby now. Like Japan now. Lady, one a better now. Nti is in Newi, Ndozie this bike. Fires, okay. Fires won't go near better. Sit down, make I see whether sweet lady go, whether first lady portion go fit you. Go fit you.
I should climb.
Sit down here, make I see.
Go.
Now this one I go carry go as your hand in marriage.
No, you buy a bigger one than.
You know go like this one?
You buy limousine.
Boom.
You buy limousine.
Limousine?
With private jet.
Now this one go say you are getting now.
I came prepared. I came ready. I came here to break record. You don't understand. After facing this entire
Eddie Bongo.
Eddie money.
Oh.
My man is bad.
I hope you're okay.
I'm okay.
Can you your own?
I should join.
One ball. Why you with one ball? Pull a chair.
Confirm.
Why you with it? I was telling to my guy here that after fencing this village, I am going to begin to build the universities. You got that go?
Exactly. And I'm telling you that I am fully in support. Anything you want to do, I am in support of you. And to prove that to you, I, Jotongo, shall raise foot soldiers that will crush any form of opposition from the enemies of this village.
Forget opposition, okay,
no, but don't think it will be a smooth ride.
I don't care, okay. There is nothing they can do. I
believe you.
I am going to match these people force for force, money for money.
Yes.
Oh yeah, money for money.
The bongos.
Money for money. Asam.
You have the resources to embark on this project.
Hey, Jotongo, did you hear that question?
Hey, too much money.
Jotongo, you go pass some now, Joe.
Your money is long.
Hey,
very long.
Very long money. They call me Eddie money.
Yes, sir.
Eddie long money. They go man around. I told you that the fountain of my riches has opened and it's never going to run dry. I want to even
Bam.
Relax.
Oh, baby, even if his money peradventure finishes, the good Lord and sees his heart will provide more. Do you know what these people did to us in this village? Because of poverty. And he still has the good heart to bless them. Oh, my man, God will surely reward you.
Yes,
we
keep going forward.
It's just that I know there are evil people in this village. I am scared.
Calm down. I swam 7 oceans and 7 seas to come here.
Confirm.
Chidekenna.
Confirm.
The man
of the people. The man of the people.
Why no?
Oh, yeah.
After building universities and hospitals and churches, I'm going to build a very big Ashawo joint.
Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes,
Too much money. Yes. The bongo. The man of the people.
It is too much.
The way you spoke with me over the phone, I got so scared. What is this important issue that couldn't wait till tomorrow? Hope nobody died.
No. It would have been better that someone died than this kind of calamity that is trying to befall this community.
I hope nothing bad happened.
Long story. Get yourself a seat.
All right.
That's exactly what is happening and other numerous steps he has taken to.
Oh. Yes. No wonder I saw him in Wanyowere's place, splashing and spending money here and there, and people were just singing his praises.
Edwin, he can go ahead and spend all the little money he can go with. He doesn't even seem to know that there are many people that have more than what he has as money in this community. But they are not taking the kind of desperate step he's taking. I don't know. But I know that he should now learn that there are king makers and king in this community. That's all I care for, and that's all I know. So let him go ahead and spray us money and waste them and go back hopeless to his station.
But uncle, what he planned doing, how is it evil?
Stop that nonsense question. Do you want to also confirm that you are a fool actually? Are you trying to convince me that you have no brain? Or that your brain is rotten? It looks as if your brain is made up of mud and garbages. What are you talking and asking me? Don't you know that he has an eye on the throne? The young man has an eye on the throne. He wants to mount the throne as the king of this kingdom, which is daydream. Do you hear me? But he cannot be king. Because all my life, my plan is that he'll be the next king of this kingdom. Because our king has no male child. But if Edwin succeeds in his plan now, in his subtle plan, and wins, then all those my plans will be messed up, and it cannot happen. Not when I'm still alive.
All right. So if I may ask, uncle, what is the plan?
The plan is about tomorrow. We shall have cabinet meeting tomorrow at the palace.
Okay.
And I shall try as much as I can. Spread my tentacles very well. And discredit all his proposals. So that you will have your way. To the heart of the princess even. So that when the king is no more, you stand with a better chance of winning the heart of the princess, thereby mounting the throne.
Hey! Princess.
Yes, sir.
Please, first, let me ask if I am safe.
Oh, of course, yes.
Please, I am sorry. I do not mean anything that I said in there, in case they have told you.
No. On the contrary, I'm actually here to just let you know that I am with you on this. Like, I was actually eavesdropping on all the deliberation, and I totally understand your points and your frustrations as well. So I just wanted to let you know that I totally understand your points. That other dude and his uncle, they are just a pain in the neck.
Chaligodi. Princess.
Yes, sir?
Ha! Who says you do not exist? Princess of my land, you are trying to tell me that you understand exactly what happened there. Do you know that since I came to this community, you are the only human being that understands what I am about to do? I am not here to fight anybody. I am here to raise the standards of our people. Do you understand? I said let me break record globally through this village. You are the first person that has heard of my presentation. They say, okay, Butu, I get it. So you get it?
I get it totally, 100%.
You see why they say keep being who you are. Those who understand will not bother. And those who worry, they don't matter. Thank you for understanding. I have good intentions. It is so that it will be good for our people. And these people are misunderstanding and thinking that I have brought war to the community. But that is not...
On the contrary, I actually understand you perfectly. And I know this is good for us. So we're going to talk more. I have to go back in there and try to appease my father, make him understand and not worry his head over nothing.
Darling. It's one more darling. Because one more thing. When he Igwe, Nyabutu.